Welcome back. Today I'm going to teach you how to use the color beam to change different pieces to different colors and how to organize them into different sections. First, we need a new model, and you can drag out a random piece. I'm going to use a 2x6 beam, and there are two ways to change the color for a piece. First, you can right click on your beam and click on properties. There's a color number. You can change the number. I'll change it to 8, and then you press enter and it'll be a different color. The second way to change the color of your piece is that you have to click on your piece to select it, and you choose a color and you click here, and then your piece will be changed into that color. Now I'll tell you how to organize your pieces into these 6 sections. So first, you can go to section 1 and choose a section of pieces to put in section 1. So I'll choose beam and plates. So slot 1 will just be beams and plates now. And if you go to slot 2, you can choose a different section of pieces. So I'll choose axles and spacers. And 3, I'll choose connectors. And you can choose more different pieces for all of the slots, like that. So next time you need to find a different piece, you go to a certain slot and you'll find it. And you can also rotate the pieces in these sections by holding control, and you can drag around and the pieces will turn so you can look at them in different angles. And you also, if you right click here, you can see increase cells. If you press it, you'll see more pieces at once, and you can decrease cells to see less. And once you finish rotating, you want to reset it so it's back to original spot. You can right click and press reset, and it'll be back to original place. Thank you for watching.